last episode we put this hook lift onto the frame of the truck. Now we gotta secure it. So I went ahead and pre-cut a bunch of mounts. I don't feel like drilling holes in the frame. We're gonna cut mounts off the side, move them to holes that are already in the frame. So let's get started. So the back four of these are custom made from the previous owner. And this one is stock from Stellar's factory. You can tell they didn't weld the top of those ones. They welded all the way around this. So I was cutting the other one off. I'm just gonna leave it. It's fine there. I'm gonna put a new one here. I made enough for 6 bottom ones, but the holes that are pre-drilled in my frame are too short for 4-inch, so I'll just cut 2 6-inch pieces and use the 4 inches that I was going to use for here up here. Got all set up to weld out here, and it's too cold for the machine. The machine will not work below -10 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to go get set up in the garage to weld them together. Here we go. Got all 8 welded up. Got to play around with the TIG welding a bit. We're going to drill some holes in the backs of these and then start bolting them to the truck. welded up and attached. So now this hook lift can't go anywhere. Didn't get as much as I wanted to get done this days off just because it's so cold. Minus 30 every day. It's kind of hard to get the motivation to work on extra things like projects like this. But we got some progress done. Next, I want to put in my hydraulic tank right here, as well as a battery box, because right now battery can't live up on top. On the other side, we're going to mount a toolbox, hold chainsaws, chain binders, stuff like that, straps. So if I have a flat deck on here, a dumpster, whatever, I'll be golden. And then when it warms up, we're going to put the hydraulic pump on the engine and run hydraulic valves up into the cab. Hope to see you there. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Hit that like button for me.